uniting industrial vitality with green-powered precision. GL Intelligent Equipment pioneering sustainable manufacturing paradigms through photonic innovation. Photon-powered precision for eco-conscious cutting. GL Intelligent Equipment engineers end-to-end sustainable manufacturing ecosystems. GL Intelligent Equipment focuses on providing comprehensive solutions in the field of metal part processing. We have many core patents and our products are sold all over the world. We always adhere to the innovative concept of making manufacturing smarter and making intelligent manufacturing simpler. GL Intelligent Equipment focuses on laser cutting technology innovation. From small tubes to heavy tubes. From 2 chucks to multiple chucks. All can be customized according to customer needs. Create the beauty of cutting with precision. As the world's leading provider of metal laser tube cutting technology solutions, GL Intelligent Equipment has always taken innovation as its blade and quality as its reputation. We sincerely invite global partners to visit our factory to witness our all-round strength from precision equipment to intelligent production lines. Let us use life as a pen to depict the future blueprint of metal intelligent manufacturing. We look forward to meeting you face to face and opening a new chapter of efficient cooperation.